A cracked tub, a flooded bathroom floor, and a weekend completely ruined. I've been there. Buying an Alcove bathtub seems easy until you're staring at acrylic specs, drain placements, and apron styles that all look identical, but perform drastically different. Make the wrong choice, and you're stuck with flexing floors or a nightmare installation. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 Alcove bathtubs on the market after rigorous hands-on testing. I'll reveal which ones actually hold up to daily life and why the #1 pick completely changed my bathroom renovation game. 5. Wyndham Collection Grayley. When I got my hands on this 60 by 30 inch Alcove tub, I immediately appreciated the aesthetic appeal it brought to the testing space. The crisp white finish paired with the matte black overflow trim provides a very modern high-contrast look that catches the eye immediately. I installed this in our secondary test bathroom to see how it would handle regular, everyday use, specifically looking at how the acrylic surface would hold up to basic cleaning routines and common bath products. In terms of everyday usability, the size is standard enough to fit most existing alcove spaces without requiring major architectural surgery in your bathroom. During my soaking tests, the water depth was adequate for a standard bath, though certainly not a deep soaking experience by any means. The surface is relatively smooth, and the right-hand drain configuration matched up perfectly with our standard plumbing layouts. I found that filling it was straightforward, and the integrated apron gives it a clean, finished look without the need for custom tiling on the front face. However, after several weeks of testing, the honeymoon phase faded, and some real issues began to surface. The most glaring problem I encountered was the structural rigidity of the tub floor. And stepping into the Grayley, there is a noticeable flex underfoot that immediately detracts from any premium feel it attempts to project. It constantly left me wondering about long-term durability, especially for heavier users or daily showering. You shouldn't feel like you are walking on a trampoline when you are just trying to get clean. Additionally, while the matte black trim looks fantastic on day one, I found it incredibly susceptible to water spots and hard soap scum buildup. 4. American Standard Aspirations. Taking a step up in width to a 60 by 32 inch footprint, I was eager to see if this model would provide a more substantial bathing experience. Watching the manufacturer's installation guide video before setting it up gave me high hopes for a seamless integration. I positioned this tub in our primary test stall, aiming to evaluate both the installation process and the day-to-day comfort of its slightly wider, integral apron profile. The extra 2 inches of width might not sound like much on paper, but during my practical testing, it made a noticeable difference in shoulder room. The integral apron is cleanly designed, offering a minimalist aesthetic that blends well with both contemporary and transitional bathroom decors. I appreciated the molded-in armrests during longer soaking sessions, which added a subtle layer of ergonomic support that is often missing in entry-level alcove tubs. The high-gloss finish also did a commendable job of reflecting light and making the enclosed space feel a bit larger. Unfortunately, my experience wasn't entirely smooth sailing, particularly regarding the installation itself. Despite the helpful installation video, I found the leveling process to be far more finicky than it should be for a standard alcove unit. The stringer support system required meticulous, frustrating adjustments to prevent the front apron from bowing outward once the tub was fully filled with water. If you aren't an experienced DIYer or don't have a seasoned plumber on hand, this could easily turn into a stressful weekend project with less than perfect results. Furthermore, the acrylic surface, while beautifully glossy out of the box, proved to be somewhat prone to micro scratches. After just a few weeks of using standard, non-abrasive bathroom cleaners and a soft sponge, I noticed a dulling of the finish in high friction areas near the drain. 3. Delta EverEdge. This 60 by 32 inch oval alcove soaking bathtub immediately stood out from the pack due to its unique material construction. Unlike traditional thin acrylics, this is made from high-impact polystyrene, which caught my attention right away. I installed the left drain configuration in our guest testing suite to see how this material would perform under regular use, specifically focusing on its heat retention and overall structural integrity compared to standard fiberglass-backed models. What I absolutely loved during my time with the EverEdge is the interior oval design. While the footprint fits perfectly into a standard rectangular alcove space, the sweeping interior curves provide a distinctly luxurious spa-like feel that you rarely get at this price point. The backrest is contoured beautifully, allowing me to recline at a highly comfortable angle for extended soaking without any neck or lumbar strain. It completely transforms a basic bathroom layout into something that feels custom and thoughtfully designed for relaxation. The high-impact polystyrene material is a massive win in the durability department. During my hands-on testing, it felt incredibly robust, completely eliminating the spongy floor feeling I experienced with lower-ranked models. When you step into the Delta EverEdge, it feels rock solid beneath your feet. I also noticed that this material does a fantastic job of retaining water temperature. My test baths stayed comfortably warm significantly longer than they did in standard acrylic tubs, which is a crucial factor for anyone who genuinely enjoys a long, relaxing soak after a hard day. Maintenance was an absolute breeze. The high-gloss white surface repelled soap scum effortlessly, and a quick wipe down was usually all it took to restore its original, out-of-the-box shine. 2. American Standard Studio. This bathtub brings a wider 36-inch profile to the table, and it completely changed my perspective on what an alcove tub can actually be. The defining feature here is the fold-over edge, which I was eager to test in a real-world scenario. I set this up in our master bath testing area, specifically to see how the extra width and unique edge design would enhance the daily showering and bathing routines of a busy household. The extra width of this 36-inch tub cannot be overstated. It is wonderfully spacious. During my soaking tests, the sheer volume of water it holds provided an immersive experience that rivals expensive freestanding tubs. The minimalist architectural design with its sharp lines and deep bathing well looks incredibly sophisticated. It is a stunning piece of fixture design that acts as a modern anchor for the entire bathroom. I found the smooth acrylic surface to be both visually brilliant and pleasingly warm to the touch before the hot water even started flowing. But the true genius of the studio model is that fold-over edge. When I watched the manufacturer's video highlighting this feature, I thought it was just a cosmetic choice. But in practice, it is a functional masterpiece. It creates a seamless, watertight barrier against your wall covering or tile, significantly reducing the risk of water damage behind the walls. During my vigorous splash testing, the water containment was exceptional. Furthermore, the edge provides a comfortable, flat surface that is perfect for resting your arms or holding your premium bath products right where you need them. 1. American Standard Town Square S. From the moment I unboxed this masterpiece, I knew it was something special. Inspired by classic American architecture, it brings a level of elegance and refined detail that simply does not exist in any other alcove tub on the market today. I installed this in our ultimate premium testing suite, determined to see if its performance could possibly match its breathtaking high-end visual appeal over an extended period of daily rigorous use. The aesthetic of the Town Square S is simply unmatched. It features beautiful crown molding details molded right into the apron, giving it a built-in, custom-crafted look, without the custom carpentry price tag. During my soaking sessions, I was blown away by the internal ergonomics. The backrest is pitched at the absolute perfect angle for lumbar support, and the water depth is incredibly generous, allowing for a true, deep tissue soaking experience. It is the kind of bathtub that makes you want to cancel your evening plans just to stay in the water a little longer. Structurally, this tub is an absolute fortress. Constructed with a highly durable fiberglass reinforcement, the floor feels like concrete beneath your feet. There is zero flex, zero squeaking, and absolute stability. I was also incredibly impressed by the proprietary EverClean surface technology incorporated into this model. During my testing, I noticed that the surface actively repelled dirt, mold, and mildew. Water simply beads up and rolls off, meaning the tub practically cleans itself. For anyone who hates scrubbing bathrooms, this feature alone is worth the entire investment.